Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 bicycle rear derailleur. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected carbon fiber ceramic rear derailleur. Specifications: brand name, Lingney. Origin, CN origin. Use, road bicycles. Model number, LD1 LD2. Material, carbon fiber. The item number 2 is UT105. Specifications: brand name, Dris. Type, rear derailleur. Origin, CN origin. Gears, 11 speed. Total capacity, 34 T. Components, derailleur. Material, carbon fiber. Model number, UT. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Bicycle RD01. Specifications: type, rear derailleur. Gears, 11 speed. Total capacity, 13 T 17 T. Model number, RD01. Brand, Bicycle. Material, carbon plus 70-75 alloy. Width, 88 mm. Length, 140 mm. Gear, 13 T 17 T. Surface, matte plus irregular. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.